Are we rolling? Let me go sit. Wait. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is not planned. I didn't plan to do this video today. But Catalia decided I have to do this video because she wants to play song association with me. So I was planning to do this video with David. David doesn't really want to play, and Catalia came over and she's like, Danelle, we do it today. I'm like, no Catalia, can we do it tomorrow? No, today. So when you see this video, it will be the 24th. It will be Christmas in Switzerland because we do celebrate Christmas from the 24th here in Switzerland, yeah, Catalia?
Yeah.
So you'll see it on the 24th, and the skating video will come after.
Yeah.
Or should we upload this tonight? Should we edit it tonight and upload it?
Yeah.
Okay, she really wants it to be done. Alright, so this is Catalia. Do you have you want to say something?
Yeah, I just want to say that just give a thumbs up.
Yeah.
If you like
it. Tell them.
Just give a thumbs up if you like it. And comment down below.
And comment down below. What? Okay. Thank you, Catalyst. Okay. So I've prepared some words. And they're here.
Yeah.
We have 10 seconds each to think of a song. So you guys know how song association works. We say a word, you have 10 seconds to find a song with that word in the song. So, we're gonna start. You wanna start, Catalia? I'm going to turn on the clock. Yeah?
Wait, I'm just gonna say, no, you start, okay?
Okay, so who is going to call us the words? Mama Catalia, do you want to call the words?
Yes.
Okay. So, bring it to mommy.
I'm gonna bring it. Just here down.
This is the ones I should say.
Yeah.
Just one at a time. So Catalia will decide who goes first. She wants me to go first, and there's a word there.
Jungle.
Jingle. It's jingle. J. Yeah, I wrote it with G first, and then.
That was J.
Yeah, it's jingle. Okay. Should I go? You really want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me start the clock. Jingle bell, rocks. Jingle bell, and jingle bell, da na 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 na. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. Woohoo! Okay.
What's the second one?
Manger. Oh, Catalia, that's gonna be hard for you.
It's okay.
Oh.
The second one is manger. Like where Jesus was born. You know where Jesus was born? If you know any song, even in German, you can sing.
Jesus was born. How do you say it?
In a
I
manger.
don't know.
Do you know any Christmas song with the birth of Jesus?
No.
No? Okay, I tell you one. Away. I'm gonna teach you this one, okay? Away in a manger, no crib for a babe. A baby. But little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky looked down where he lay. And little Lord Jesus asleep on his manger.
Yeah.
Catalia. Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Tyson. Jesus, he's eating them.
Oh, no.
Go, Catalia. Tyson.
She's coming in 5 minutes. Or 5 seconds.
Hello, what will happen to the dog? He ate chewing gum. About 1 dozen.
That's not good.
Are you sure?
Ja, das ist nicht gut.
Hi guys, we're at the vet with Tyson. As you can see, Tyson ate chewing gum. The chewing gum was on the table, and Tyson found himself on the table and ate the chewing gum. And chewing gum can be poisonous to dogs. And so he has to emergency. We were in the middle of the video. So he's gonna get some injection. I'll tell you guys more about it later. Is the video? I think I left home without treats because it's. Oh my god. Du bist am Lieben.
Ja, komm. Ja. Oh, ja.
Now he's getting the injection to vomit. I'm helping my friend Danelle. He's getting the injection to vomit what he ate before. Oh.
Boy, Tyson. Good boy. Come here. Come. Good boy. Okay.
Und dann jetzt muss man warten da, oder?
Sie können da warten. Draußen ist ein Platz.
Ja.
Genau. Ja, ist noch nichts drin. Genau. Und Sie können einfach anrufen.
Okay, good. Okay, super. Now we are waiting for him to vomit what he ate, and it's really wild. The dog is really wild. Woo. Baby boy, don't be that wild, okay?
Exciting.
Hi, Tyson.
And I don't have any treat. I don't have anything.
But you can't give him anything to eat now.
Oh, yeah, that's
No, you have to wait now.
You
Okay.
just sniff around.
Not as